Hi, I'm Joan Lok. Year 2024 will be the year of the dragon. A student of mine has asked if I'll do a workshop on painting the dragon, so she'll get a head start on painting the New Year card. It may be a little bit early, but I think doing a workshop on painting the dragon should be a fun thing to do. First of all, the dragon is not really an animal that exists that you can go to the zoo and observe. So in my workshop, I will clearly explain what a mythical Chinese dragon would look like. As a matter of fact, legend has it that a dragon is representing all creatures. So there are typical ways of how the eye, the horn, the mouth, the scale, the body should look like because they are a combination of many classic animal in Asia. So I will explain that. On top of that, besides the head, we'll also work on the body, the tail, and also the claw. Do you know that there has been many arguments and debate as to how many claws a dragon should have? So I'll explain that as well. Last but not least, for the fun part that we'll paint together, we will do a dragon flying in clouds, which is an inspiration of a beautiful screen that is found in the Smithsonian of a dragon done in this special technique called Tarashikomi. Tarashikomi is the dripping of sumi-e ink onto water and let the interesting pattern forms. And in this particular inspiration, we're going to use it to display cloud that the dragon is flying among. So in my workshop, we'll talk about the structure of the dragon, how to paint it, and also use a special Japanese technique called Tarashikomi to depict the dragon for your New Year card. So I hope you'll join me in this workshop. It's never too early to think about the New Year card for 2024, and you can also use the knowledge for your other artwork as well. So I hope to see you in this fun workshop. Thank you.